if you have a charge controller which don't have a display the amps which can verify from the panel, so you must verify through multimeter or through clamp meter your amps from the solar. So here my panel voltage, here my panel amps 4.3, which is very less. So let's verify what's the problem. Here should be must 5 or 5 plus or 10 less amp. Here is the diagram of my rooftop solar panel. I have a 4 panel 100 watt, each panel rating for 5 amps, 2 panel in series and then 2 panel in series and then in parallel. I have a voltage 35 volt plus. Supposed to be I have a 10 amps or 5 plus, but I getting only 5 amps. So definitely something wrong in the up there in the strings. So we have to verify it. What's the reason why only 5 amps I getting? So let's go up there, verify it. If you have a multiple panel and you not verify your amps and you get a problem somewhere in the some string or some wire is get broken or it's loose, so definitely you have a loss. So you always verify your wiring connection before the charge controller. Okay, you can use the clamp meter. Let's go on the rooftop and see. That is my 100 watt 2 panel in series, and the other side have another 2 panel same 100 watt in series and then in parallel. I open ready the insulation and I verify this point have a voltage. This is my second panels and here the insulation. Let verify in this point. That was the problem. Did you see the copper was not properly and the cable was not properly crimped and it was disconnected. Let's fix it and then we see again what's the amps, what's the voltage in this peak noon. All connections verified and properly insulated here also and there also. Let's check the final amps, what we getting now. Let's see what we getting now. Here is our battery voltage. Wow, battery charging with the 10 amps. This is our battery state of charge. Temperature, load not connected. Here is our PV voltage. Wow, we getting 9.67 amp now. That is the reason what I'm told you. You must have to verify your amps. Okay, don't only rely on the PV voltage. If you're getting a less amps, definitely something wrong in your wires or in your joints where you do the connection. Definitely. The PV current measurement is very important. If you have multiple panels that in parallel but you getting a less amps and you not verify, you are getting a loss like me. So you must use the tool like that which can verify the DC amps. This is only for AC, just to show you, like the PV voltage coming, you can verify like that what amps you getting from the solar panels. Then you can verify what amps you getting through your charge controller, through the battery, and then you also can verify like what amps is your inverter taking the DC amps. Okay, DC amps measurement is a different. You must use the DC current measurement device, the clamp meter, to verify it. Otherwise, if you not verify your amps, you are definitely getting a big loss. So now finally I verify my problem. The problem was in the joint on the rooftop. So now it's fixed ready. I have a now perfect amps here. Okay.